AIDS in Zota Tuna the second deadly disease cancer ending cancer it is one of the most dreaded diseases of human beings, and it is a major cause of death all over the globe. India aleha millions tamzo they are suffering from cancer. Why bana mitam pile cancer akipatasi mo kumtenga cancer penha bangai jiale it is the abnormal or it is the uncontrolled growth of cells. Cell they undergo cell divisions and they proliferate, they multiply in number. Normal cells normal cells they will grow, then they will divide, they will grow, then they will divide, and they will or proliferate, and they will differentiate. After differentiations, they will form tissues. They will differentiate to form tissues. Tissues they will be performing specific functions in our body. They will perform specific functions in our body. Normal cells, any cells, they will grow, then they will divide, and they will differentiate to form tissues, which will perform specific functions. These tissues will come together to form organs, and these organs together will form the organ systems. And this organ system working together will form an individual. But sometimes these normal cells, they will become cancerous cells. How it can be transformed, normal cells into cancerous cells. Cancerous cells they are damaged cells cancerous cell cells damaged they will grow and they will keep on dividing. They will grow and they will keep on dividing. Divide they will just keep on dividing. Divide suppose cell normal cells let's say these are normal cells. There will be many cells in humans are entering many cell cell they exhibit one property. Why one property? Contact inhibitions contact inhibitions in cells they will keep they will grow and they will divide. They will tell one another cell will not divide again. When these normal cells gets transformed into cancerous cells, they do not inhibit this property, contact inhibitors. They will just keep on dividing. It will result in masses of cell. It will result in masses of cells. Masses of cells they will appear as a lumps. They are called as tumor. When a normal cells becomes cancerous cell, the cancerous cells will just keep on dividing. They will keep on dividing without stopping. Divide then in that particular area a lump or a masses of cells will be formed, which will appear as lumps. A lumps it is termed as tumors. Tumors benign tumor and malignant tumor. Benign tumor malignant tumor. Tumor benign tumor to malignant tumors benign tumor tumor they remain confined to a particular place. They remain confined to their original locations. Original locations cancerous cell breast the tumors, the benign types of tumors will be confined to the breast. They will not be spread. do not spread to other parts of the body. Benign tumors they cause little damage to the body they cause little damage. Benign tumors since they are confined to their original locations benign types of tumors detect surgical remove that is not the case with malignant tumor. Malignant tumors they show unlimited growth, grow then a cell they keeps on growing and they keeps on dividing rapidly and then they are rapidly spreading to different parts of the body. Spread to other parts of the body. Malignant tumors suppose again breast breast detect spread lymph nodes organ cells spread malignant tumors they interfere with the normal functionings of the body system. They interfere with the normal functioning of our body system because it can spread to different parts of the body. They are interfering. Tumors benign tumors malignant tumors. Benign tumors those lumps or tumors, masses of cells, they are confined to the place where they originate. Originate spread benign tumors they are less harmful as they are very harmless as compared to malignant tumors because they can just be removed. Tumors on the remove on and they cause very little damage. But in malignant tumors let's say the cancer start in the mouth it can grow to the throat, to different parts of the body. They are very harmful and they are interfering with the normal functionings of the body system. Normal cells normal cells they grow, they divide and they differentiate to form tissues. Then they will be performing specific functions, and when they become old they will die. Normal cells they die, but cancerous cells they will just keep on dividing to form a masses of cell which can be seen as lumps, and they are termed as tumors. Tumors can be classified into two types: benign tumors and malignant tumors. Benign tumors they white tumors which remain confined. They do not spread to different parts of the body and they cause little damage. Malignant tumors those tumors which rapidly grow and divide, and they if detect remove then they can spread. They are rapidly spreading to different parts of the body, causing our normal functionings of the our body. Which is metastasis. Metastasis it is the process in which this malignant tumors they spread and grow and destroy the surrounding normal and healthy tissues. It is termed as metastasis. Metastasis is let's say these are the cell. Malignant tumors. Malignant tumors this will grow mo hayong ki divide engines cells on form de hay cells on form de penin kha they will start competing with the healthy and normal cells ya blue ki galte pen kha normal cells dan I assume legend ya red ki galte pen kha malignant tumors. So this malignant tumors and normal cell they will start competing for nutrients and all mo ai changa kha ya malignant tumors de na ya normal cells de pen kha they will destroy. So metastasis it is the process in which malignant tumors malignant tumors they will grow and they will divide and they will start destroying the neighboring normal and healthy tissues or cells. It is termed as metastasis. Abana causes of cancer causes of cancer penyat maina there are more than 100 types of cancer different types of cancer more than 100 types of cancer they depend upon the types of cell that is initially infected. Examples would be the very common examples would be like our mouth cancer breast cancer lung cancer, blood cancer, these are the different types of cancer, and this depends on the types of cell which is initially infected. Tuna causes of cancer causes of cancer normal cells normal cells they function they will undergo cell divisions, they will grow and they will divide, proliferate, and they will differentiate to form certain tissues which will perform specific functions, and after some times when they become old they will die. These normal cells sometimes due to some factors or some agents they are transformed into cancerous cells. Cancerous cells normal cells cancerous cell they will just grow and they will keep on dividing without stopping. Normal cells cancerous cell transform transform to essence it can be physical essence also, it can be chemical essence also, and it can also be biological essence. The essence biological essence essence again the essence, whether it is physical, chemical, or biological, the essence which can cause cancer is known as carcinogens. Carcinogens it is the substance or the essence which causes the normal cells to get converted into cancerous cells, or simply carcinogens it is a substance, it is a chemical substance, or it is an essence which causes cancer. If a particular agent cause cancer, then that is carcinogen. For example, tobacco they are carcinogens because they can cause cancer. Carcinogens are the essence or the substance which cause cancer. Cancer the cell, the normal cells is being transformed or converted into a cancerous cells, and they just keep on growing and dividing. First physical essence physical essence ionizing radiations to non-ionizing radiations under ionizing radiations we have like X-ray and gamma ray. X-ray, gamma ray they are ionizing radiations when we are exposed. When a person X-ray exposed then gamma ray body exposed then you can get cancer. Non-ionizing radiations like UV ray, ultraviolet rays. If you keep on exposing to ultraviolet rays, then you will get like skin cancer, eye cancer. When we are exposed to X-ray, gamma rays, or UV rays, which is ionizing and non-ionizing radiations, our DNA get damaged. DNA damaged it will lead to cancerous cells. hai pen kha I physical essence a hiya next a chemical essence endinga chemical essence pen kha I a very important chemical essence is tobacco. Tobacco pen kha it can be in the form of cigarettes. Cigarettes danali omthi waiba it can be chew also. Khani imwam te waibana I zarda kuvai hai te hongale ma tobacco te linjin hai tobacco te pena khabang omai jale tobacco they contains a very harmful chemical substance which is known as nicotine ma nicotine ominjin hai nicotine te pen kha when we keeps taking tobacco which contains chemical substance nicotine, then it will leads to like oral cancer, mouth cancer chitema hai te pen kha ki ve thei din chen hai saka we should not take tobacco product him ma la bi wai bana anek sakha I biological essence dia kha biological essence dia kha the first one is oncogenic viruses. There are some virus which is present in our genes which can cause cancer. They are known as oncogenic viruses or viral oncogenes. Oncogenes it is oncogenes means it is a certain types of genes gene matri which can cause cancer. Maizaka oncogenes kichi ma ite pen kha ani na kha cellular oncogenes. Cellular oncogenes or ashota CONC legichidinga hai te pen kha it has other names like proto-oncogenes legichidima hai proto-oncogenes te pen kha they are genes found in the normal cells. These proto-oncogenes are genes hitho hilile ko yakimwai jale they are found in our normal cell ajale ama bang hiwai jale under certain conditions bang chidan hyam when mutations occurs or when some errors occurs in DNA replications or something like that, this gene which is genes which we call it as proto-oncogenes which are present in the normal cells, they get activated. Honki activate the gene then this genes would lead to oncogenic transformations of cells. The normal cells will be transformed into cancerous cell. Proto-oncogenes it is a type of genes to genes they are found in our normal cells, but during certain conditions when mutations occur, these genes they will get activated, they will be active, and this activations of these genes would lead to the transformations of normal cells into cancerous cells. Abana cancer detections and diagnosis ending cancer is it curable or not curable? It will depends on the when the cancer is detected. A cancer detect whether that cancers could be treated successfully. Depending on cancer stage stage 0, 1, 2, 3 last stage cancer if it is detected very early a 0 stage it can be completely cured. Breast breast tumor start tumor it will be removed. Remove remove if the doctor suspect that anaki spread then techniques he look thei demo why cancerous cells te pen kha den chang in discuss dinga hilile tun bang I stage 1 na khong hile surgical ade to remove thei ding engine I hai bana I using some or chemotherapy chi te zanga le hi thei demo tun bang hidile a cancer pen kha I a last stage abang omta waya ga thei he pan hide jen hai hun tia chu it is not curable on his demo so cancer pen kha ki cure thei lo pen kha it depends on when the lumps or the tumors is detected it detect by ale cure thei engine it detect hakwa da last stage last lam ho na oma the stage pen kha ana spread a body if it is a malignant tumors bang hi ale I whole body ko ana ki spread kin ta hi ale chu I hi thei bang ma no lo de mo ngai sa ka early detections is very important in case of cancer early detections is very crucial and essentials for treating cancer successfully the techniques bang ki zangai jale there are techniques which are used for diagnosis and detections of cancer the first one is biopsy kila zelma biopsy ji janina I tun bang suppose the cancer pen kha I tissue hiam I blood hiam hi lo ale I bone marrow hiam a dia ikin ta ka le tun bang hai I tissue akipat hi lo ale I blood akipat bone marrow akipat kha I cell bang za hiam I kila hedin engine by pen ha ki study the engine whether the cell counts is increasing very rapidly or not why pen ha ki ending engine if it is increasing very rapidly then we can know that we have a blood cancer ma since the tissue pen ha blood akipatakila hia I bone marrow patakila hia I zaka we know that we are suffering from blood cancer ma through biopsy hai bana histopathological studies chi leong dinga his heitin about due to biopsy agipata cell kila hete pen kha haite pen kha study bol dio mo whether the cell counts is increasing or decreasing I hai pen kha it will be studied by a pathologist ma pathology chi changina it is the studies of disease causing organisms hamala so pathologist is changina the person who studies pathology idinga hai bana I haite pen kha I directly tun bang I akimu thei ma external akimu thei tun bang I breast abang alam songom le kimu thei de be ma engine ya I abokom je dan de wa ki sa thei hi lawale gol khonga abokom janga I cancerous cell de igin ta ka le ba ki sa ka biopsy on la de engine a cell pen on study on the engine whether the cell counts is increasing or not by the on the engine by pan sana I treatment on pediuma sometimes when it is internal organs isunglam aki ja imita ibamu thailo ma abo khong kilang khelo jemai ni waite janga bang ki jangai jale radiography ji tema haide ki jangin jin hai bana a techniques which is known as MRI mo MRI pen kha magnetic resonance imaging why bana there are CT computed tomography ma ideally ki langsel ding engine aite penin kha with the help of this CT MRI radiography chi te zanga kha isunglam onen di engine tun bang stomach ya ma I lumps dan do hi lo ale among most doctor din amale bang by stomach ka ke pata cells la hede engine by pen kha biopsy zanga histopathological studies pen ma zanga I hansui non duma whether the cell counts is increasing or decreasing if it is increasing very rapidly then we know that cancer stomach cancer cell on china ma ya MRI den khabanga asatu chale they are using magnetic fields and magnetic fields as well as non-ionizing radiations haite zanga a cancerous cells pen kha detect mo and treatment ending treatment of cancer mo abang chidana treatment building ending treatment. The first then again his sama abang treatments of cancers depends on when the cancer is detected. If it is detected early, then treatments can be just surgical surgery. First treatment pen surgery engine. Hey surgery pen abang the cancer cells will be surgically removed from the body of the patients. Cancerous cells are surgically removed from the body. Hey pen the first treatments second treatments na pen chemotherapy chemotherapy chemo it means chemicals. Therapy it means medications. It is medications using chemical substance. A specific drugs or a specific chemicals is used. Specific drugs is used to kill drugs it kills the specific cancerous cell. Chemotherapy ibol jana cancer cancerous cell cancerous cell or normal cells so when we take these kinds of treatments, even our normal cells are damaged. Doing chemotherapy has a side effects. Side effects there will be hair loss. Cancer patients Tangpua there will be hair loss. There will be anemia. They will be very weak and their nails they will not grow. For them, their nails they do not grow. So these are the side effects of taking chemotherapy. A third radiotherapy engine. Radiotherapy medications using some kinds of radiations. The cancerous cells they are irradiated lethally. Radiations are used to kill the cancerous cell. In some cases, the patients, cancer patients, these patients are given some biological response modifier. Cancer patients, in some cases, they are given biological response modifiers like alpha interferon. Alpha interferon which is a biological response modifiers. Patients when they are given such substance, this alpha interferons will activate the immune systems of the patients. Immune system activating engine this immune systems will start producing antibodies which will destroy the tumors. In some cases, the cancer patients are given some biological response modifiers like alpha interferons. Alpha interferon substance patients this substance will activate the immune systems of the patients. If the immune systems is activated, then they will start producing antibodies which will fight against the tumors or the cells which cause this.